Could please somebody tell me why Shiba Inu is number 26 on CoinMarketCap? By market cap size, it's the 26th biggest cryptocurrency in the space. Can someone tell me why it's up 55.32% on the 24-hour? And in the last 7 days, it's outcompeted pretty much everything. It's up like 150%, guys. Can someone tell me why Shiba Inu, this dog coin, is doing so well in cryptocurrency? Are we in a bubble? Is this, tulip bulb mania? Is this is the bubble gonna pop? In this video, we're gonna be talking about Shiba Inu. Does it have more room to grow? What is the value proposition behind dog coins? Why are dog coins becoming so valuable? What is the value? Why is there a market cap of $7 billion? $7 billion involved with a coin that's representing a dog. Why is the community so big? I'm going to answer all of these questions with the classic style of my fundamental analysis and dive extremely deep into the details behind Shiba Inu. Keep watching. What's going on, everybody? Alex back with another video. Today we're diving deep into this dog coin, Shiba Inu. Like I said, it's up 53% on the 24-hour. It's up 156% on the 7-day. And this is literally top 30 cryptocurrency, and it's doing extremely well. They have a vibrant community, one of the best by marketing I have ever seen out of any other cryptocurrency. So what I need to do is lower my bias, lower the standards of what I know from traditional finance, and understand that we are on the cusp of innovation. And there's new technologies, there's new innovation arising that you might not understand. It's almost better to say maybe than to say no to everything that's brand new. And I say maybe. And I've actually 10x or close to 10x my money with Shiba Inu. So yeah, it's definitely a maybe. If it makes you 1,000%, you definitely are gonna open your eyes to these new cryptocurrencies. So yes, I definitely have an intimate relationship with Shiba Inu because I almost 10x my money experimenting with these dog coins. This is why it's so good to have risk management when you're investing in crypto. So towards the end of this video, I want to show you how I turned like 14K into 110K. I'm going to show you the exact trades on the blockchain. I was ahead of the curve when it came to Shiba Inu in that first big pop. And I did sell at the right time. So I'll show you how you can replicate it for yourself. What I also want to do is I want to go into the reason for the recent pump. I want to go into the product, team, marketing, liquidity, and pretty much break down all the fundamental variables. I know a lot of people, they got these hype videos just to hit the search term on YouTube. They're like 3 minutes long. It's absolutely ridiculous. Some of these videos, low quality information, are just hyping you up. I want to teach you something. I want you guys to learn how to fish in this video. And to be honest with you, like, this comes from pure experience, considering the fact that this is so brand new. I've been in cryptocurrency for 6 years and I've seen things like this happen all the time. So I want to break down my experience for you guys. If you appreciate this video, just both favors, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with a friend. I talk about cryptocurrency, entrepreneurship. I like to make money online. None of this is financial advice, and I don't accept sponsorships by anybody, which allows my research to be 100% unbiased. 100% unbiased research brought to you by a person that does his own research and does not read off of scripts. So I might make a mistake. Just bear with me, okay? But today, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. This is probably the biggest reason for the pump. Elon Musk, again, tweeting his new puppy called Floki. And I actually saw it going viral on Twitter. And look, it's funny we say that because right here, Shiba Inu is going viral right now on Twitter. As you can see here, technology trending. Shiba Inu. Wow. It actually blows my mind that we live in this age where dog coins are doing better than some of the biggest companies you guys know. It's absolutely crazy. They've been able to capture this market cap size. So let's go a little bit into the history so you guys can understand where this came from. And I was literally watching this in real time, and it blew my mind that something like this is a reality. But as you can see here from inception, Shiba Inu has done things differently. Starting with a supply of 1 quadrillion, our founder, Ryoshi, if that's how you pronounce his name, locked 50% in Uniswap so that people can make trades, and then burned the other half to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin for safekeeping. Now, I want to be very clear with you guys. They're trying to frame it in a way that it wasn't. So basically what they did is they took half of the supply and just airdropped it to Vitalik Buterin. They just gave it to an address they know that he owned. And it doesn't mean he burned it at all in any way, shape, or form. Actually, the contrary. When he moved the Shiba Inu, he actually moved it. He took some out of the liquidity fund and he donated it As you can see here, they're trying to like frame it in the right way, but he donated it to a COVID-19 relief fund in India. And actually caused the price to dump. And I actually think that this was probably one of the catalysts to the top of the market. This was exactly around the time Bitcoin was topping out, Ethereum was topping out. And all of these dog coins were hinting top of the market, top of the market. All these dog coins started coming out, trying to follow in the footsteps. I actually had a dog coin trading strategy that I shared with Fundamental Secrets, where I actually, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I made more of a return on some of these dog coins than some DeFi projects with real, products. It was really a risk management game. It was really, kind of throw your money in different directions, and the ones that hit do like, 5x, 10x returns in like 24 hours. So again, I'll show you proof of this, and maybe we might see this again in the future, but we definitely see some parallels in NFT space right now. There's definitely some images that are probably, overvalued and, like $1.2 million for CryptoPunk or something like that. So this kind of mirrors the NFT space, and we'll get into all this stuff and explain to you guys exactly what happens. But moving forward with the history, you can see to help reverse the devastating spread of COVID-19, they make it sound so funny. Vitalik Buterin, or VB, has since utilized Shib in the largest crypto donation in history. This is true. He just donated like a whole bunch to this relief fund, but it wasn't like the community did it. He just did it because he didn't want his wallet. There was literally more Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu in his wallet was worth more than the Ethereum in his wallet. So what happened was there was a lot of people searching the blockchain and, looking at, and this is my transaction from Zerion. People were literally just popping up Zerion. They were popping up Zerion, looking at Vitalik Buterin's wallet, similar to what I'm looking at my wallet right now. And they were seeing that he holds Shiba Inu. So they automatically came to the conclusion that he was bullish on Shiba Inu. Oh, he has to be bullish on Shiba Inu because he has more Shiba Inu than he does Ethereum. And this was a crazy marketing tactic, because as people were first learning how to look at block explorers, because this is such a brand new concept, right? They were first learning how to look at it, and they were looking at Vitalik Buterin's public address and seeing that Shiba Inu is one of the biggest. It was the biggest. It was the number one. They all thought instantly that he was bullish on Shiba Inu, and they all aped in. But really, he just got airdropped half of the supply. And then to kind of mitigate the fact that he had more Shiba Inu than Ethereum, he donated half of the Shiba Inu, or a whole bunch of them. And then he actually burned 40% of the supply to a dead wallet, ensuring our long-term success and stability. But guys, remember, they frame it in a certain way, but it was not, in my personal opinion, for those reasons. It was simply because he didn't, there was $1 billion worth of Shiba Inu in his wallet that he did not want to have access to. He did not want to be held responsible for. So he donated some of it, and he didn't want people to know that he holds Shiba Inu. I think that was probably the majority of the reasoning behind it. And he went publicly and talked about the community and everything. So it's very interesting stuff, guys, what's happening in crypto. If you guys are in cryptocurrency, pat yourself on the back, guys. We're on the cusp of innovation. This type of, just understanding this and knowing this, even if you never invested in any of these cryptocurrencies, will put you far ahead of the curve. I'm telling you, it will put you way far ahead of the curve. So let's look at some fundamental analysis into the project, or the product itself. They actually came out with something called Shiba Swap. Now, this is not like a great technological advancement. They just simply took Uniswap's code and they put it into their website to show that they're growing. I've seen this with other projects before. Pretty much all the value proposition of Shiba Inu is its marketing and community. But they'll come out with products like this, even though there's not a lot of utilization of the product. They'll come out with products like this just to show their users, we're creating stuff. We're not just hype, right? It's good to know that they at least passed the audit check. So you can see here, they've had their code audited and there's no critical errors at all, just the basic, and some of them were resolved as well. And the reason why I like it so much is that it's truly decentralized, guys. You can't say that about a lot of DeFi projects. There's a lot of centralization, VC capital backed up. This is a truly decentralized project. There was no pre-mine. It was buy from Uniswap, price go up. That's it. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. And what I try to preach in cryptocurrency, if we come over to coin market cap, right, and we just kind of go by market cap size, and we just click right here, boom, we can see that the biggest projects, regardless of what people think, are going to be mostly decentralized. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum are the most decentralized. Now, this is obviously a gray area here. They're more of like a centralized proof of authority blockchain. But Cardano, when it comes to technological advancements, Cardano's far behind. They don't have any ecosystem at all. It doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing. I think their tech is better. in the long run. But right now, Binance Smart Chain has smart contracts. They have everything. So for Cardano to be even close and kind of passing it and kind of fighting with Binance or BNB, it just shows that people value decentralization because Cardano is truly decentralized and BNB is not. And Shiba Inu is like one of the most decentralized projects. I mean, that's the point. It's a community driven project. That's literally the point of Shiba Inu. So if you analyze it from that perspective, from a cryptocurrency fundamental analysis perspective, they're winning. They're winning because there's no centralized anything. It's literally a community token. I think the biggest value proposition is value to the community. How many people are adopting it and they're telling their friends and they can resonate with this dog because dogs are, it's viral. As a marketer, there's a kind of like case studies where people say, hey, you want to learn viral marketing? Go look up a dog or a baby. Babies are viral, dogs are viral, little puppies are viral. So this is just one of those cases. I mean, the most liked post on the internet is a picture of an egg. It's the most liked and reshared and like engaged post on Instagram. And then Mr. Beast made a video out of it. And now it's the most viewed video on YouTube. So it's like, how could you not find value from community? It's what people find valuable, which becomes valuable. And their community is outstanding. Also, you can provide liquidity to their decentralized exchange. It's very similar to any other decentralized exchange, so I'm not going to go too deep into that. But they did get an audit, and it looks like it passed. And they actually have some recent news they actually came out with today where they're coming out with Shiboshis, which are NFTs, and they're going to be selling for 0.1 ETH for the first 24 hours. And then they're going to be doing for the next 5,000 Shiboshis, 0.2 ETH. I might buy it, to be honest with you. They're forcing you to buy their coin Bone, though. They have different coins. It's not just Shiba Inu. If we come over here, you can see that they have Shib, Leash, and Bone. The Bone, they say that Bone's designed to fit perfectly with Shiba Inu and Leash, and it's supposed to be the decentralized autonomous organization coin. And then we have Leash, which is basically the second token incentive on Shiba Swap. It's like an incentivization token. So I don't like the fact that they have these two, to be completely honest. They should have made it where you have to buy Shib. You have to buy, the actual NFT with Shib, but it is what it is. Also, that you can rename the NFT. This is very similar to any NFT, but the thing that's different, I would say, is the fact that the community is huge. Before NFT started popping off, it was Shib first. So I wouldn't be surprised if Shiba Inu does really, really well because of these NFTs, coming into circulation. Shiboshis aren't just an NFT. They're going to be converted into a game with characters. We hear this from any NFT projects. But understand, like, the biggest value proposition, in my personal opinion, when it comes to NFTs or any project like this is the community, and that's where they shine. Really quickly, just to go into team, they don't actually have like a dedicated team. Okay, like I said, they're a decentralized, spontaneous community. Look right here, we're experimenting a decentralized, spontaneous, random community of virality. These viral groups that pop up, they captured the value with a coin. That's exactly what happened. These new viral groups that come up, make Reddit forums, and all these people start flocking to it for whatever reason. They just captured it with a coin, which is great. And this is where they really, really shine. And this is what I kept trying to tell people all the time about fundamental analysis. You must take in consideration perception. It's not all about the product. The product is on the lower end of importance. Most of this is hype and speculation of where the product's going to be in the future and how it's going to grow. And you can see here, they have 25.7K followers on Instagram. Their Telegram is pretty big, 17.8K. But look at their Twitter. They just go viral every time they post. Look at this, 972,000 followers. It's one of the biggest, followings in the top 50 that I've seen. They just go viral every single time. And that's the point. Look at the nature of their community on Reddit. They just have these viral memes. They make memes all the time, which goes viral on the internet. Look at this. People are saying they're dumping like their 401k into Shiba Inu. And, just look at this, the price increase and them sharing information. And it's just something easy to resonate for the average person. Also, I will admit, they're getting a lot of website traffic. Look, at one point it was 8.6 million people viewing their website. Even currently, even though they're down, 1.17 million. If we look at AVAX, which is a top 15 cryptocurrency, they're only getting 1.18 million. And this is on the higher spectrum for them. So Shiba Inu clearly has the marketing correct. If you want to even call it marketing, whatever you want to call this, they have it correct. And this is where they shine, right? Now that they have this huge market cap, they have all of this money to finance development. So this is kind of interesting, to be honest. I would not be surprised if this gets close to like Dogecoin when it comes to market capitalization. I'm gonna be honest with you. I wouldn't buy Shiba Inu today. It's already pumped like 100% or so. But I will say that if this ever drops, I'm accumulating Shiba Inu. And I'm going to say that with confidence, to be completely honest with you. I'm going to 100% say that with confidence because, guys, they have a lot of money. They have a lot of community. They have the hard parts done. That's typically the two factors, of a project that are the hardest. Getting it to people and having the liquidity to handle big size trades. And look at their liquidity. If we pop open their liquidity, you can see they're on all major exchanges. They're on Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, Binance. They're on huge exchanges, guys. They have the liquidity to pull off a big run. They're already worth $7 billion by market capitalization, and 40% of their supply is burned. This is very favorable for the tokenomics in cryptocurrency. Now, obviously, guys, understand, take this with a grain of salt because it's going to be extremely volatile considering the fact that this whole value proposition is a dog coin. I want you to understand that. It's like irony. So regardless, it's going to be volatile. It's probably going to drop also, by 30, 40, 50% overnight. But this is one of those coins you just get a small bag. You just get a small bag as an experiment. And you do what I did here. And this is a small bag in comparison to my portfolio. So if we come over here to Zerion, I want to show you guys something really cool. This is kind of my story with Shiba Inu. You can see right here, look at the date, May 6th. May 6th, I bought only $4,000 worth of Shib. Then I got a little bit more bullish on it, and I actually bought more. As you can see here, I put in another $10,000. This is a smaller end of my portfolio. It's less than 1% of my portfolio. Something where I'm comfortable with losing everything, and that was my thought process around the time. And I just want one of the best trades I've done in a while. Look right here. I sold it for $110,000. So I put in originally, as you can see here, 10,300 plus another 4,000. So about close to 15,000. And I came out on top with $110,000. So I want to show you around those time periods so you can see what happened. This is not normal, but it is interesting. As you can see here, May 6th, I caught the hype almost perfect. If we come over Shiba Inu, we look at the chart, you can see that's May 3rd right there, 4th, 5th, 6th. I caught the bottom of this epic spike. It went up. So you can see I have a positive situation with Shiba Inu in general. So maybe I'm biased. Currently, I don't hold any Shiba Inu at all. I don't have any Shiba Inu, just to be clear with everybody. I've sold all of it. But look at this jump, man. I'm waiting for it to come down a little bit, and then I might accumulate some, to be honest with you guys. But that's the whole 9 yards. We have a whole new innovation in cryptocurrency. We've never seen these decentralized exchanges happen before. It's a whole new concept that people are grasping their head. It's a community-driven thing, so I think in general, it's power to the people. It embodies what cryptocurrency is. The fundamental analysis score, in my personal opinion, is stronger than a lot of the other ones. Now, I will say for purchase reasons, typically I like finding projects in the top 50. It's number 20 something. So it's already up there, to be honest. And, to see it beat things like Axie Infinity and Filecoin it's hard for me to justify that. So from a risk to reward spectrum, there's a reason why I don't hold it. I want to find, in my personal opinion, coins that are down here, that are down like 70, 80, that are going to move their way up to top 20. That's what I really look for, and that's why I don't hold it. But from a fundamental analysis score, there's a reason why they're worth $7 billion, and it's for good reason, guys. Guys, remember, look at cryptocurrency from an open mind. Let's not get too tribalistic or tribalism. Let's not embody that. We're in cryptocurrency to stack Satoshis, okay? We want to make money. We want to become financially independent. That's why people join crypto, not because the technology is going to be the greatest thing ever. Yeah, that's a byproduct, but it's also because you want to make money. All right, cryptocurrency is stressful. Let's not hide from the truth. Literally, it's in the name, cryptocurrency. The first big killer app was decentralized finance. People are in it for money, okay? It's as simple as that. So look at everything with an open mind. We're not going to have parallels in traditional finance. We're not going to see the same thing that's happened in traditional finance happen in crypto. It's not going to be that way. It's completely new concepts that you have to try to see the future with. You have to get on the cutting edge of innovation to understand cryptocurrency. And regardless if you make money or not, you will be far ahead of your human peers. Think about the people that researched the internet before the internet became a thing. right? Look how far they are ahead in comparison to their peers. Look at the people that never adopted the internet. Look at what are they doing now? What job can you possibly get right now without being, sufficient with using the internet and using a computer? You can't find very high paying jobs. You cannot find high paying jobs. So I'm telling you guys are on the cusp of innovation. Treat it as so. Even if you don't invest, understand what's going on. But that's it for this video, guys. If you like the quality of this content, hit like. If you don't, leave some constructive criticism. Subscribe for more video updates. And like I always say, if you don't get with it, you will get left behind. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Catch you in the next one.